Hey y'all, this is the official intro for this video. This vlog is all over the place, but I'm all over the place. So, hope you enjoy the video. I plan on narrating more, just so we can stay engaged. Hopefully y'all like that style of video. If not, then God bless. Hey y'all, we're here at IKEA. Say hey, mama. There she goes. She loves being on camera. Right now I'm picking up a sink cabinet. So they should be bringing it out. I just got my text. I was supposed to pick it up yesterday, but I didn't. I'm here in my dad's truck. I'm checking in from my phone because I got my camera and it's charged up, but I put the wrong SD card in here. So Christmas, I really only got that, honestly. Things are not coming together because I got some other stuff going on. But whatever. There's something in my tooth. So I did go right back to the thrift store for these green chairs. They had a few spots on them, but I felt like they were in good condition, so I took them home with me. So here I am, cleaning the chairs, washing them up. I came up with a little Lysol solution with some Dawn dish soap to get the oils and to sanitize them. House after hours, we ended up pivoting and going car shopping. Not planned, but I really don't think I'm gonna get anything done today because I'm just getting here. Now, as you can see, I got my chairs. Let's go ahead and get this place somewhat together if we can. All right, let's go. I'm putting on my cover clothes because I don't want to mess those up. Usually I wear something over it because I never know what I might get into for the day. And I did end up painting this day. So I'm taking this couch out. I'm done with it. I'm tired of using it. It doesn't really go with my theme, so I'm going to use my old futon that I've already had. It goes better with my theme. It's not permanent, but it'll do for now. I know I haven't checked in a while. I literally had to strip this room down, strip the bed. I'm trying to do a full-on deep clean. Still cleaning my chairs. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back. I am getting some out of my car. IKEA. Can you see it? Um, another day, another project. Let's go inside. I'm really cleaning up. What I'm gonna work on right now is building the new cabinet vanity. I don't see my tripod.
Found the flatboard now.
I did not find it. Oh, I can keep looking.
You look under the sink.
So here I am cleaning the cabinets. They needed a little work because I had done a lot of things that involved dust and dirt and scratched them up. So that's what I'm doing here.
Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece of this here. You got to nail it up here on both sides. So when you put that up there, we have something to nail into or screw into, really screw.
Because the wood back there too is flimsy, right?
No, the wheel ain't too flimsy. It's just that you got to have something here to
What do we need something up there for?
this to bolt to.
Or this is just to close off that area? Oh, okay.
And then we're gonna do the same thing back behind her, close all that off. Then we're gonna put us something up over this here to keep it straight.
All right, I just had to run up the street to get me something to eat. I'm here at Odom's Barbecue. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. I just called them to try to just do a pickup order, but they don't do that. So I'm not gonna Keith Lee they ass. I'm not gonna Keith Lim, but I'm gonna go in here and get me something to eat, and then I'm gonna go back to the house, and I'm gonna do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just trying to get something done. You know what I'm saying? All right, I just made it back. Yeah, my dad's doing something over there. He told me he was leaving, but one of his friends done pulled up on him now, so I'm gonna go back in, eat, and I don't know what I'm gonna get done, but you know you'll be right there with me, though. Welcome to Hobby TV. Let's go. an old catch. You see how terrible. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. So I just finally put in the cabinet catch. See, finally got it to work properly. But I had a piece of tape up there for the longest, so it was electrical tape. This is the process of me trying to hang this curtain rack up. It was really terrible. This is actually the second day of me doing it. The first day I had to delete because I looked a mess and the curtain track looked a mess. I don't really care for this item because of how bendy it is, but it's also not just the product's fault. It's the ceiling in my house. In this particular area, I did have some water damage, which it was fixed, but I think there's some areas that will not allow for me to put screws in the ceiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. And it looks a mess, y'all. You're gonna see by the end that it just sucks, and my curtains ain't long enough. I'm just doing a lot of little things. We tore up the bathroom, which I'll show y'all in a minute. It's a little bit of paint and all right, I think I'm gonna wrap up for today. It's getting late. I cleaned up. I'm gonna go back to my parents' house. So yeah, I cleaned up as good as I could. I didn't clean up how I wanted to, you know. Clean up as good as I could. So yeah, we'll see. Thanks for watching Hobby TV. Back again with another vlog. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like the video. It's free. I don't know if y'all knew that. That might be a new price. Or I think it's only free till the end of the year. So how about that?